you. Enjoy po.
The Titos and Titas of McCann Thoughts recently visited Geylang East Central to enjoy lunch at Mama's Pizza and Rice Meal, a restaurant renowned for its Filipino rice dishes and diverse pizza flavors, all crafted by Chef Angel, who has a true passion for cooking. We also had the pleasure of meeting his husband, Sir Aaron, along with their son, who is already a whiz in the kitchen. The food was just as warm and inviting as the atmosphere. Mama's is one of those hidden gems that you discover and instantly fall in love with. They serve incredible Filipino rice meals. Seriously, the quality is outstanding and the prices are surprisingly reasonable. We had a hard time deciding what to order, but the Pork Bicol Express, a spicy and creamy dish made with succulent pork, cooked in coconut milk and infused with chili peppers, and tapsilog, a hearty meal featuring marinated beef, garlic fried rice, and a fried egg on top, were absolute standouts. And get this, they also make fantastic pizzas. Our personal favorites were the meat lovers and 4 cheese. Even the spicy seaweed French fries we had while waiting were addictive. By the way, we want you to know that the sausage in the rice meal and the ingredients in the pizza have a taste that is remarkably similar to tender juicy hot dog. So, if you're looking for a delicious family-friendly place with amazing food, hungry Pinoy in Singapore absolutely have to try Mama's. You won't be disappointed.
We have the Filipino meals like there's Korean meal, typically yung paborito ng locals. Pati din yung Filipino eh, may mga fan na rin ng mga locals.
Kung ano yung special recommended?
Yung mga dumadahil dito na vlogging, medyo affordable. Dito to this area, naka-specialize. 60 years old. Puro sa saka mga Pili, pag nalaman. Okay. Isa na.
Focus na lang sa business.
Oh. Kasi ang choices dito, tatlo lang yung vegetarian. Ito yung bestseller na finger food. Balik ko na ito. Okay. Seaweed. 2, 3. Ito yung tosin.
Paikot mo na. Paikot mo na, Joel.
Ayaw mo, gawa ka lang. Mas gusto ko yan. Wala na yung mga kalpin.
Sino yan? Focus lang.
Mag-alaga-alaga.
Imitan.
Cinematic.
Anong camera dito? Anong camera dito? Ito, yung cinematic.
2G daw.
Oh, nag-blur.
3 seconds lang. 3 seconds lang.
Hindi ko ito isasama. Malulungkot yung... Ha?
Four
Wow.
cheese. Meron siyang mozzarella,
Sura pa lang,
cheddar, parmesan, saka blue cheese.
Cheese, nice.
Ano silo?
Ayun ka, nag-ibig nilalagay. Pero kasama pa nga ako. Ako magbibigyan ko sa dito. Kala ko order sa
Ito yung tatlo pack.
Oo, diba?
Later. Tender juicy raw yung hotdog.
Una, hindi ko alam yun. Magaling din magluto si Kuya. Kasi yung anak niya, culinary. Yung anak niya, culinary graduate. Sino ba?
Ayong
Yun, no?
Baka may nag-cream na hotdog.
Nice. Ito hotdog. Papa, dalawa.
Kumpo, silog. Isa na lang, Bicol Express na lang.
Hindi po magpa-pick ko.
Sila na lang, mo. Kumpo, silog.
Pwede po.
Yan. Sa mga bini-bini. Yung try natin pagkain. So, pare. Isa pa, may isa pa. Ay, wait po kung anong kayo. Isa pa ulit po. Ulit pa. Live. Ayan. Thank you.
Ibabang pa kay Baba.
Once.
Thank you. Thank you po.
Ito? Ayan. Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Once.
enjoy po.
Dili po ka-picture. Nakuha mo yan? Nakuha mo to?
Apo, tama po. Gusto niyo po ng gloves or what para sa okay na yan.
Ipakita natin like gloves.
Sige, sige, hati tayo.
Ayaw makiyate. Ayaw makiyate. Ikaw, princess. Okay lang? Okay ka? Dito. Kuha kayo dito. Kuha na kayo. Joke lang, joke lang. Joke lang, joke lang. Sige. Again, kuha kayo mga girls. Joke lang, joke lang. Nakikihati ako. Princess and Crisel.
Sige lang po, kuya.
Yan, ebidensya. Kumukuha si Joel.
Ako kita pati kay Ma.
Yung ko nga. Hindi, kuha ka lang, kuha ka lang. Joke lang. Meron pa dito, ha? Ano? Joel, kumawa dito? Joel, ito? Kumawa na? Take out. Ano di ba sinabi mo?
Take out ako.
Wow. Magta-take out daw, Joel.
Ganun lang.
Ang estudyante yung price.
Pinos. Saan bang pera siya? Si Tita.
Slowly.
Tama mo mo ni Ate Princess.
Hindi, okay lang. Mahiya si Princess.
Hindi ko po matanggal. Ito na lang.
Sa pamig noodle na.
Yun o, patakam-takam mo. Okay.
Yung paglakad ah.
Lumalabas kami.
Yung paglakad ah.
Ito pa, hindi na alam.
Ito na, bilhin natin oh. Oh. Oh yeah, see? Hiniginig pa. Ito may cheese doon. May cheese, may cheese. Enjoy. Para naman magkaroon kami ng juice. Bibidyoan kita. Ano matapang na pizza?
Nagtaikot mo. Diba?
Ano ngayon? Sa Pilipinas. Ebidensya. Sarap. I want to complain. It's very nice. Sabi ng uncle kanina.